Hi guys, today we will have a look at this thing. It is an aircraft actuator, electric actuator, made by Dassault aircraft company in France. So, do I have a dead code? Yes, it is made in 1964. Pretty small serial numbers with 3 digits. So what do we have? We have this side here is attached fixed side with some kind of rotating part here, some uncurled part to fit into the airframe. So you can see this really nice part here in that cast aluminium. Then here we have an electrical motor made by Oxyluck. It is DC current? No. It is made for continuous service, but it is a three-phase current, of course, 400 Hz. 200 volts, 20 watts. It turns at 7,000 turns per minute. So not a little clock here. Here we have the actuator part. In fact, it goes in and out, I believe. So it must be for closing landing gear door or something like, or flap or something like this on the aircraft. So it is a brass part threaded inside that goes in and out. Here is the electrical connector for the thing. So you can see it is quite heavy. This part is in die-cast metal also. And I will show you the contents, but as you can see there is a number of bolts to remove. And it is 4mm bolts, so you need the proper tools to do it. It is hopeless to do it with not a proper one, because they are very tight anyway. So I will remove the bolts of camera and we will have a look inside. Back, the screws are removed, so it should lift right off. We have just an aluminum cover here, and inside, as you can see, it is pretty neat. You have a neat wiring here from the plug going to, so some wires go, 3 of them of course, to the motor. But we have this thing here, which is a solid block of metal. You can see here the actuator part with a worm screw inside. So I believe we have gears in this part here. And what is it? It is a brake, electrical brake coupler thing made by Jaeger in 1968. So it is more modern than the other parts. So maybe it was replaced at some point. You can see here you have two coarse switches for the limiting the course of the actuator, and you can see the worm screw. So it is a brake unit. It means it will not move at all when it is not powered, I believe. You need to apply power to unlock the thing, and then the motor can turn and move the actuator. But yes, and anyway, it is very tight. It is not going to move at all. So it is a really secure thing. So we can see here it is made in 2 parts. So yes, I believe we have a gearbox inside of it. But it is all closed with lock nuts, so I will not remove it. And we have a few wires going inside this, 5 of them in fact. So it seems there are 2 solenoids. It is written double brake here. So it must be 2 brake solenoids. maybe one for the motor side and one for the shaft output side. It is quite weird. You can see the nice quality of manufacture. It is really, look at the thickness of this part here. It is almost 1 centimeter thick. Yes, 1 centimeter, 8 millimeters, something like this. It is a solid plate of aluminum, and this too, and this is machined blocks of aluminum. So really, not toys here. Everything is premium quality in this. I think nowadays you will not find any more stuff like this, even in aircraft. We have downgraded quality, and look at this. It is really, really, really incredible. So it is a vintage part. I got it. People often ask me where I got my stuff. So most of the time it is from eBay. So either in the categories for aircraft parts, or sometimes people are selling aircraft parts without knowing what they are and put them in the wrong categories, but it means you can make really, really good deals, but you need to spend hours surfing eBay in order to find a good thing. But this was in aircraft parts category, but it was very, very cheap. I believe the shipping was more expensive than the item itself. I believe it was 5 or 10 euros, something like this. So it was really worth it, because when you see the quality of the thing, it is really a nice thing to have. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will be back with more aircraft parts, because I have a few of them. Bye bye.